Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
It's a pretty nice day out there. For some of you, you saw just a little bit of rain and maybe a stray thunderstorm, but it's all quiet right now. We'll start with a live look outside to Dickinson. Just about 10 minutes ago, there was just a little bit of twilight left out there, but it has since, we've gone into full darkness right now. 68 today in the Dickinson area, just a few degrees above the average of 66, but well below that record high set in 1901 of 95 degrees. Meanwhile, in the capital city, you got the 67 degrees, just 2 degrees below that average of 69. Satellite and radar picture is pretty quiet right now. You can see there is a clearing line slowly making its way from northwest to southeast here as that system that brought rain to southern areas is finally departing the area. And you can see some of that shower activity back across the northwest is finally dissipated as we lost the heating of the day. Here's a look at observed highs today. Most places a little bit cooler to the south. We don't say that very often, but they had some stubborn cloud cover closer to that system that was across South Dakota. So the clear skies further to the north allowed a lot of those places to get into the mid-70s, like in Williston and in Sydney. But you can see Linton just 63 today, and 57 is all it got to in the Mobridge area. They had quite a bit of rainfall. Temperatures right now are cooling down, but they're still not too bad out there. Still 61 in the Turtle Mountains, 60 out to the west in Wolf Point, 54 right now in the capital city, 57 in Minot, 46 in Hettinger and Bowman. I do want to say tonight's lows, which we'll get to here in just a second. If you're in the far southwest, we could have some patchy frost. So if you have some sensitive plants or vegetation, you might want to cover those up or bring them in just to be safe tonight. Winds aren't too bad right now. They are continuing to diminish light out of the south and the east at between 3 and 5 miles an hour. We'll continue to see this line of clear skies continue to move through this. So by that tomorrow, everybody in the KX area should have plenty of sunshine, maybe a high cloud or two. That will last throughout the day on Sunday and into Monday. You can notice some of our wind streams here starting to pick up. It will get quite windy, breezy for the afternoon hours, and especially on Tuesday, because it's going to get really, really warm on Tuesday. We're going to have a very amplified jet stream. You can see that ridge way up into Canada, so chilly across the Pac Northwest and chillier across the east. But in our area, you can see a lot of these reds, much warmer temperatures. In fact, somebody on Tuesday would not surprise me if a few locations got to 90 degrees, and Minot might be one of them. And we don't need these hot temperatures because you can see just how dry it is back across the west. Basically, from the Missouri River to the west, it is abnormally dry. Now, I want to take you here real quick to the tropics. We have our very first tropical depression, Tropical Depression 1, which was just named by the National Hurricane Center. It is expected to miss the South Carolina coast and probably graze the North Carolina coast as a tropical storm here over the next couple of days. We're not even in hurricane season yet. That starts on June 1st, so an early storm on the way. Lows tonight, like I said, basically around climatological averages. Again, you can see Hettinger 33 degrees. That's why I'm a little bit concerned about some of that patchy frost across southwestern sections. Here's your 3-day forecast for Dickinson. It's a warm one. You can see by Tuesday possibly getting all the way up to 90 degrees with those breezy conditions ushering in some of that warmer air. Sun still continuing to set, a beautiful sunset in the Williston area. Tuesday, 90 again, but gusty on Monday. And here's your extended forecast. You can see in Bismarck, average high of 69, 87 on Tuesday. So if you're off on Tuesdays, you might be able to head out there and enjoy it. And then we cool down slightly behind it with a chance for a shower or thunderstorm Wednesday and into Thursday. We've been watching that situation. 1 or 2 of those storms may reach severe criteria, but the recent trends, as I show you the Minot 7-day forecast, Renee, is some of those storms look to be a better chance as you get closer to eastern Montana, but still a warm Tuesday shaping up, and then we get back closer to average temperatures over the next couple of days. But I know you like those warmer temps.
Absolutely. And Robert, I know my off day is on Tuesday. Us weekenders have to take different days off, so looking forward to that. Yep. Thanks so much. Coming up next in sports, baseball is back in Bismarck this weekend. We'll show you all the highlights from the Sandlot Showdown.